Something off with your Pixel phone lately? Maybe it's getting unusually warm or the battery is running out faster than usual, even if you're not doing much. Well, you're not alone, and there might be one app behind it all that's causing trouble for a lot of users. After the May 2025 security update rolled out for Pixel devices, users across various models started noticing strange behavior. Phones that usually lasted all day suddenly needed to be charged by the afternoon. Some users even reported their phones heating up when they were barely using them. It caught a lot of people off guard, especially since this update wasn't meant to bring big changes. It was just supposed to fix some security issues. But for many, it brought an unexpected problem. What's surprising is that this issue isn't limited to older phones with tired batteries. Even newer models like the Pixel 9 Pro, released not too long ago, are seeing these problems. At first, most people blame the software update itself, but the real issue might be tied to an app almost everyone uses: Instagram, reports started popping up on Reddit and other forums where users said the problem started shortly after they opened the Instagram app. Some mentioned that within minutes of scrolling through posts, their phones began heating up. Others noticed that their battery drained quickly, even when the app wasn't being used and was just running in the background. That's when people started making the connection. The likely cause? A buggy Instagram update that was released around the same time as the May Pixel security patch. Individually, each one might not cause major issues, but together, they appear to be creating a perfect storm of heat and battery drain on many Pixel devices. If this sounds like what you're experiencing, there's a quick fix you can try. Just uninstall Instagram from your Pixel phone. A lot of users said that the moment they removed the app, their phones cooled down and battery life went back to normal. It's not a permanent fix, of course. Once Instagram rolls out a new update that solves the issue, you can install it again. But for now, you might be better off using Instagram from your web browser or a different device. This issue seems to affect a long list of Pixel devices, including the Pixel 6, Pixel 6 Pro, Pixel 6a, Pixel 7 series, Pixel 8 series, Pixel Fold, Pixel Tablet, and the new Pixel 9 lineup like the 9 Pro, 9 Pro XL, 9a, and 9 Pro Fold. In short, it's not just a few users. It's a pretty widespread issue across the Pixel range. That said, not every single user is running into this problem. Some people with the exact same models are reporting no battery drain or overheating at all. One Pixel 6 Pro owner mentioned their device is working just fine, even with Instagram installed and updated. So, depending on your specific phone and how you use it, your experience might be different. Still, if you've noticed your Pixel getting warm or your battery draining way faster than usual, it's worth trying the Instagram uninstall method. It's simple, doesn't take long, and might just fix the issue right away. Just give it a day or two and see if your phone starts behaving normally again. Sometimes the smallest steps can make the biggest difference. And if you're waiting on a real solution, keep an eye out for app updates from Meta or system patches from Google. One of them will likely push out a proper fix soon. If this video helped you figure out what's going on with your Pixel, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel. We've got more updates, troubleshooting tips, and all the latest in mobile tech coming your way.
Is it possible for Samsung to beat Apple before the iPhone 17 Air even shows up? That's what people are wondering after a new leak revealed something big about Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge, its camera system. If what's being said turns out to be accurate, this phone might set a new standard for slim devices without losing power or camera quality. And with the iPhone 17 Air also aiming for a super slim look, Samsung might just have the edge here. Literally. The Galaxy S25 Edge has been making waves online recently, with more and more leaks coming in about its design, specs, and especially its size. This could be Samsung's slimmest flagship phone so far. And what makes it more exciting is that it's not just thin for the sake of looks. It might actually come packed with some high-end features, especially when it comes to its cameras. A recent listing from a regulatory database has now given more weight to the earlier rumors. It seems that the Galaxy S25 Edge will carry the same 200-megapixel main camera that Samsung used on its top-tier Galaxy S25 Ultra. Yes, the same one. This matters because that camera has already beaten the iPhone 16 Pro Max and Pixel 9 in several comparisons. Putting that same powerful camera in a slim device means users could get a stylish phone without giving up serious photo quality. The phone is also expected to include a 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, likely the same sensor that's already used in the standard Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus. Even though it's not the more advanced 50-megapixel sensor from the Ultra model, it should still deliver decent results for wide shots and group photos. On the front, the phone could come with Samsung's S5 3LU sensor. This one uses a 1.3.2-inch sensor, which is pretty standard for selfie cameras, but it still manages to deliver clear and sharp images. Even though the S25 Edge might only have 2 cameras on the back, the quality of those sensors could easily make it a favorite for users who care about camera performance without needing a big and bulky phone. Samsung seems to be targeting people who want a balance between design and performance. The launch date is also coming closer. Leaks suggest Samsung might reveal the phone officially on May 13th. It could go on sale in China and South Korea by May 23rd and reach the US market by May 30th. With the release getting nearer, excitement around this phone is only growing stronger. Beyond the cameras, the Galaxy S25 Edge is also rumored to include the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 Elite chip, along with 12 GB of RAM. That combination should offer fast and smooth performance, whether you're gaming, watching videos, or multitasking. The screen is expected to be 6.7 inches, which is a sweet spot for most users, and the phone itself is said to be only 5.85 millimeters thick. That would make it one of the thinnest phones you can buy, while still packing a flagship punch. But Samsung isn't the only one going thin. Apple is also rumored to be working on the iPhone 17 Air, which is expected to launch sometime in 2025. A dummy version of the device has already been seen online. It looks sleek, just like you'd expect from Apple, but there's talk that it may come with just one rear camera. If that's true, it could be a weak point, especially when Samsung is offering a more advanced camera system in a phone that's just as slim. So, what matters more to you? How slim a phone is, or how powerful its camera can be? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel so you never miss an update about Samsung, Apple, or the latest in mobile tech.
Instead of the diagonal or square setup, this one has a camera bar running across the back of the phone with a single camera lens placed toward the left. If that sounds familiar, it's because it looks very similar to what Google has been doing with its Pixel phones. While it's not exactly the same, the overall style is close enough to get people talking. Some fans are asking, why does it look like a Pixel? This design change has split opinions. Some users think it's a bold step forward. Others feel like Apple is moving away from its signature design style that's helped the iPhone stand out for years. Even though it's just a dummy unit, many believe it's based on real design plans. The leak came from Majin Buu, who has shared accurate information in the past, and it lines up with earlier leaks by Jon Prosser too. Another big detail is the screen size. The iPhone 17 Air is expected to have a 6.6-inch display, but that hasn't been officially confirmed. What's more interesting is how Apple plans to manage battery life in such a thin phone. Reports say the company is working on using high-density energy cells, which means they could offer decent battery performance without needing more space. That could be a major plus since ultra-thin phones often come with weak battery life. This upcoming iPhone could be taking the place of the Plus model in the current lineup. If that happens, Apple will be positioning the iPhone 17 Air against other slim smartphones, like Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 Edge. That phone also aims to be thin and stylish, but its design is heading in a different direction. Still, Apple's possible shift to this camera bar design is grabbing more attention, and not everyone is loving the idea. At the end of the day, this is all based on leaks that Apple has a habit of surprising people with changes at the last minute. So while this dummy unit might be close to the final version, nothing is confirmed until Apple shows it off themselves. But if these leaks are accurate, it's clear